Some problems on surface area of revolution. I already explained what is surface of revolution, and also I had given a formula for all the three forms. Three forms means what is the formula for surface of revolution for Cartesian form, parametric form and polar form. Now problems on parametric form, I directly go to the problem here. Example is, take this, find the surface area of the solid generated by, find the surface area of the solid generated by revolving the cycloid x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y is a into 1 minus cos theta, about x axis. I think you are all familiar with these curves now. If the equation is given, then what type of the branch of the curve, whether it passes through origin, it is symmetric about x or y axis, all these things you are very familiar with. Because in area, volume of revolution, surface of revolution, 3 times we came across these curves. Say I directly go to this curve. One branch of the curve is like this. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi for this line, and it is symmetric about this line. What is this? Theta is equal to pi. This is the line at the point theta is equal to pi. Theta is 0, theta is 2 pi. It is one branch of the curve or one arc of the cycloid. Equation is this: theta minus sin theta, 1 minus cos theta. It is symmetric about x axis. Correct? Symmetric about x axis. And it is one branch of the curve. Now, on the application of the formula, see there are 4 cycloids. You try to remember that shapes of the one arc of the curve. This is one arc of the cycloid. Therefore, surface area is, see I directly explain how to apply the formula. Surface area means answer to this question. So I need not write in detail. Surface area obtained by revolving one branch of the cycloid about x axis, that is not required. I directly write surface area is 0 to 2 pi. What is the formula? 2 pi y is it ds? 2 pi y ds. ds means ds by d theta d theta. ds by d theta d theta. Now first we obtain ds by d theta here. Take this as 1. We find out ds by d theta. I obtain ds by d theta here. ds by d theta is for parametric curve. What is ds by d theta? Dx by d theta whole square plus dy by d theta whole square. Therefore it is square root of dx by d theta a into 1 minus cos theta whole square plus dy by d theta is a sin theta whole square. Therefore it is square root of a square means I take a common. Simplify this. A into 1 minus cos theta whole square, 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Therefore A into, this is 1, 2 minus 2 cos theta. Therefore it is equal to A into square root of 2 into 1 minus cos theta, but 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. Therefore 2 into 2, 4. So 2a sin theta by 2. This is, what is this? This is ds by dt. Therefore this surface area is 2 pi 0 to 2 pi. What is y? A into 1 minus cos theta. ds by d theta is 2a sin theta by 2 d theta. Now because of symmetry about this line, theta is equal to pi, we can write this as 2 pi into 2 into 0 to pi 2a square 1 minus cos theta into sin theta by 2. D theta is there, of course, d theta into d theta. Therefore 8 pi a square 0 to pi 1 minus cos theta is again 2 sin square theta by 2 sin theta by 2 theta. Therefore 16 pi a square 0 to pi sin cube theta by 2 d theta. Sin cube theta by 2. Now to evaluate, we apply or we use substitution here. What is the substitution? Put theta by 2 is equal to t. Therefore d theta becomes 2 dt and limits becomes 0 to pi by 2. Substitute here, you will get the new limits. New limits are 0 to pi by 2 because by this substitution limits changes to 0 to pi by 2. Hence 16 pi a square 0 to pi by 2 sin cube t 2 dt. So 32 pi a square 0 to pi by 2 sin cube t dt. What is the integration? Integration is this 32 pi a square and sin cube t. So usual method is we express powers in terms of multiples. If it is square, we have directly this formula 1 minus cos is 2 sin square. But since it is a cube, we apply reduction formula. What is reduction formula? Reduction formula is n is odd here. First factor numerator starts from n minus 1, 2 upon 3, n minus 1 by n. Next is 1, 2, no, only 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. Since it is odd, there is no into pi by 2. If suppose it is even, then there is into pi by 2 is there. It is therefore 64 pi a square 64 pi a square upon 3. 64 pi a square upon 3. This is the surface area of the solid formed by revolving one arc of this cycloid. Problems are simple. Only thing is the shape of the curve important, because I take next problem here. The shape of the curve, it makes a lot of difference. If you know the one branch of the curve, then only you will get the correct area or even volume or surface area. Can I go to next problem here? I think first problem is clearly understood by you. All have followed this one. Find the surface area of, next problem, take this. Find the surface area of the solid generated by revolving the cycloid x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta. You know that there are 4 different forms. It is x is a into theta plus sin theta, y is a into 1 minus cos theta, about the tangent at the vertex. About the tangent at the vertex. See, in case of volume of revolution also, we have taken same problem here. In case of volume of revolution, because it makes difference here. You will not get total surface area like this, because the solid obtained is entirely different here. What is one arc of the curve here? See, this is coordinate axis. For one branch of the curve, theta varies from minus pi to pi. Theta varies from minus pi to pi. Therefore, one branch of the curve is like this. X axis perpendicular y axis, and one branch of the curve is like this. It is theta is minus phi, theta is equal to pi, and this area is revolved, not area bounded by this curve and the line and this line, not this line. This area is not revolved. Understand? Area revolved is area bounded by one arc of the curve. One arc of the curve is like this. It lies between minus pi and pi. And x-axis, tangent at the vertex is nothing but x-axis. Tangent at the vertex is nothing but x-axis here. This area is revolved, so we get different solid here. Accordingly, different area of the surface will be different. Now, how do you apply the formula? If you know the limits, that is sufficient. For one branch or one arc of the cycloid, this cycloid, theta varies from minus pi to pi, and surface area is therefore minus pi to pi 2 pi y ds by d theta with respect to theta. So what do you have to find out? Find out ds by d theta. Find out ds by d theta. What is ds by d theta? Find out ds by d theta. ds by d theta is square root of dx by d theta square plus dy by d theta square. Therefore, it is square root of dx by d theta. X is there. A into 1 plus cos theta whole square plus dy by d theta is a sin theta whole square. It is therefore a square is a into square root of 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. I think no explanation is required here. It is straightforward. Dx by d theta, dy by d theta are substituted, and simplification also same type simplification. In the previous problem we had same type of simplification. 2 plus 2 cos theta, because this is 2. This is 1 plus 1 2. A into square root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta. A into square root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2a cos theta by 2. This is ds by d theta. Therefore, the area is, surface area is 2 pi into 2 into 0 to pi. Say write minus pi to pi as 2 into 0 to pi, because this is 0 and this is pi. And the branch of the curve is symmetric about this line, theta is 0. So instead of this complete area, we can take area in the first quadrant, area under the curve in the first quadrant also. 2 pi, 2 into 0 to pi, y, what is y? A into 1 minus cos theta, is it correct? What is y? A into 1 minus cos theta, yes. ds by d theta is 2a cos theta by 2 with respect to theta. You have to calculate this. It is 2a square, 4a square, 8 pi a square. It is therefore 8 pi a square. 8 pi a square integral 0 to pi 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 d theta. 1 minus cos is 2 sin square theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. It is 16 pi a square 0 to pi sin square theta by 2 cos theta by 2 d theta. Now how do you evaluate? You can apply reduction formula, but it is a direct simple integral. It is. First use this substitution, theta by 2 is t, d theta becomes 2 dt. Limits becomes 0 to pi by 2, because substitute theta is 0, you get t is 0. Theta is pi. See, here variable is theta. If you take theta is pi, you will get t is pi by 2. So this reduces to 16 pi a square 0 to pi by 2 sin t square cos t 2 dt, because d theta is 2 dt. So it is 32 pi a square sin t raised to 3 upon 3 0 to pi by 2. How to integrate? To integrate, it is fx raised to n into f dash x form. See, we have used this formula, fx raised to n into f dash x dx is f of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This is the formula. So sin t raised to 3, 2 plus 1 upon 3. Now limit is 0 to pi by 2. Take the limit 32 pi by 3 a square sin pi by 2 cube minus sin 0 cube. It is 32 pi a square upon 3, because sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. Thus we can apply the formula. This is the problems. These are the problems in parametric form. So one more form is left. What is that? Polar form. Take this problem. The curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. What does this represent? In cardioid also there are 4 different forms: a into 1 plus cos theta, a into 1 minus cos theta, a into 1 plus sin theta, a into 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Just like parabola. In 4 standard parabolas, you know the direction in which they opens, it is also same, cardioid, but it is a closed curve. R is a into 1 plus cos theta, is revolves about the initial line. Find the surface of the solid. So formed. It is the curve is polar curve, and for the polar curves we have formula 2 pi y ds by d theta, but ds by d theta is given by different formula. The curve is, or the cardioid is as shown below. This is the line, theta is 0, theta is pi by 2, and the cardioid is just a minute, it is yes, it is like this, cardioid. It starts from this and it is closed curve, and it is like this. This is the cardioid. Seems to be, whether it is these two portions are seems to be same here, they should be same, it is symmetric. This is the cardioid. What is this line? Theta is 0. What is this line? Theta is pi. And this is 8, this is 4. So in this case, since it is symmetric about the initial line, this cardioid is symmetric about initial line, therefore the solid obtained by revolving only the area of the curve above the initial line is same as solid obtained by complete area of the cardioid. So what is the surface area here? Surface area is integral 0 to pi, because what are the lines bounding vectorial angle here? One is this line, theta is 0, another is theta is pi. 0 to pi, 2 pi y ds by d theta. What is y? y is equal to r sin theta. Therefore, 2 pi 0 to pi y is equal to r sin theta ds by dt with respect to theta. Where ds by d theta you have to calculate. ds by d theta is, it is square root of r square plus dr by d theta square. Is it formula correct? R square plus dr by d theta square. Yes. It is therefore square root of r square a square 1 plus cos theta whole square plus dr by d theta is minus a sin theta whole square. You simplify this, you will get a square root of 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. See, in almost all the problems, this type of simplification is same. You refer that one. Similar type of calculation is there, therefore you can easily follow this one. 2 plus 2 cos theta, therefore it is a into 2 into 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, therefore it is 2a cos theta by 2. This is ds by dt. So 2 pi 0 to pi, what is r? A into 1 plus cos theta sin theta, ds by d theta is 2a cos theta by 2 dt. Correct? A into 1 plus cos theta sin theta 2a cos theta by 2. So, what is this? 4 pi a square integral 0 to pi 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta is, I write sin theta as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 d theta. See, this 1 plus cos is 2 cos square, sin is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and this cos theta by 2. Therefore, 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 16 pi a square 0 to pi cos theta by 2 raised to 3, or is it 4? 4 into sin theta by 2 with respect to theta. Correct? With respect to theta. It is therefore 16 pi a square. Now use substitution here. What is the substitution? Substitution is theta by 2 is t, d theta is 2 dt, limit becomes 0 to pi by 2. This is the substitution. Use this substitution here. You will get 0 to pi by 2 cos t raised to 4 sin t d theta is 2 dt. Therefore 32 pi a square 0 to pi by 2 cos t raised to 4 sin t dt. Sin t dt. Is therefore 32 pi a square cos t raised to 4 sin t, again fx raised to n f dash x, that formula, but differentiation of cos t is minus sin t, so we have, say I write this as 0 to pi by 2 minus cos t raised to 4 minus sin t dt. Now you take this as fx, this is f dash x. 32 minus 32 pi a square 0 to pi by 2 cos t raised to 4 minus sin t dt. See, I have taken minus of minus because differentiation of cos is minus sin. If you take this as fx, then it is f dash x is minus sin t. Minus 32 pi a square into cos of t raised to 5 upon 5 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Now simplify. See the answer, final answer. What is this? Minus 32 pi a square upon 5 into cos pi by 2 raised to 5 minus cos 0 raised to 5. What is cos pi by 2? 0. Cos 0, 1. So minus 32 pi a square upon 5 into 0 minus 1. 32 pi a square upon 5. 32 pi a square upon 5. This is the surface area of the solid formed by revolving the cardioid. For all the cardioids, there are 4 cardioids. The solid will be same if you revolve about the initial line, and if you revolve about for r is equal to a sin theta and a into 1 minus sin theta, you have to revolve about y axis, and area will be, surface area will be same. To take one example here, find the surface of the solid formed by revolution of the cardioid. R is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta about the initial line. What is this cardioid? This cardioid will be like this. This is the cardioid, and it is revolved about the initial line. Answer will be same, 32 pi a square upon 5. That is the surface area. I think you followed these applications, and this completes your syllabus. Say, I have taken I have started with reduction formula, derived reduction formula for algebraic function, trigonometric function, and then for definite integral, reduction formula involved in definite integrals, some problems. After that, since curve tracing was required to explain the definite application of definite integrals, I started geometry of 3 dimension, then polar equation of the conic, and after completing curve tracing, I came back to this application of reduction formula. And you go through these topics. If you have any difficulties, you can ask at any time. Okay, thank you.